Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, I got your profile on LinkedIn. So let's start the interview.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
Thank you for introducing myself. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. Good morning, sir. I am Subbalakshmi. I am from Vilupuram. I have done my BE Agriculture Engineering in the Kaveri College of Engineering, Salem. During my college days, I have done a project in the topic of automatic conveyor-based rice patching machine. It's all about how to separate the rice from the bran and stones and black rice. In this project, we have used image processing method. In this method, a camera is set in the conveyor machine. It will capture a single rice and it will separate the size and it will separate the black rice and brans. We have done it. It will very useful for farmers. They can easily separate the brands from the rice. So that this is what I have done in my college days. During my college and also I have attended a symposium competition in SSM College of Engineering in the topic of how to separate plastic from biomass gas. It is also an agriculture related topic. And also I have attended a workshop in Excel College of Engineering in the topic of how to utilize the pulses and the grains, how to harvest them, how to manage the pulses and how to weed them, like that we have done. And also I have attended an NSS camp. I have managed a group of people, how to manage them, like that I have done. That's it. Thank you, sir.
What is Linux?
Linux is an open source operating system. It is a reliable and it is free to use.
What is SSH?
SSH is a remote access. It is run in the port called 22. It is used to connect a remote machine by using this SSH.
How to create a file?
We can use touch command to create a empty file, and also we can use cat command and VA editor command and nano command to create multiple files. We can use these types.
What do you know about links?
Sir?
Links.
Links. I have know about soft links and hard links. Soft link, it's like a point out of source file. It like shortcut in Windows. Hard link, it's like a mirror copy of the original file. Soft link have different inode numbers. Hard link have same inode number. And in soft link, we can create soft link for files and directories. But compared to hard link, we only create hard link for files, not for directories. In soft link, if we delete a source file, we cannot access the soft link. In hard link, if we delete the source file, we can access that hard link. Sir.
I need to check my disk usage.
I can use df space h command to check my disk usage. Sir.
I need to check size of a particular file. How to check that?
Particular files. I can use ls and ls command with long list. It will show the size of the file. Sir.
How do you see in human readable format, whether it may be like in KB or megabytes or something, right?
Yes, sir. I can use ls command with long list with h, sir. It will show. It will long list with the human readable method, sir.
During the time when no one was there, someone logged into the system and changed some permissions. How do I check who logged in?
I can use who and who command and who am I. This command will show who logged in, what are they did in that. So it will show that I can check it by using that command.
Is there any other way?
No, sir. Yes.
How to check the size of the directory?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can use ls command with d and h. It will show the long list and human ldh. It will show long list and human readable directly only, sir.
Okay, what is the difference between M and RP?
Yes, sir. The both are used to install and update the packages, but RPM does not resolve the dependencies, but YAM can resolve the dependencies, sir.
How to check my CPU performance?
Yes, sir. I can use stop command to check the CPU utilization, and also for more information, I can use cat/proc and then CPU info, sir. This command I can use, sir.
So the question is how to share the file.
I can use NFS server, sir.
Okay.
NFS server, we can share files and directories through the network, sir.
Okay. So any other method, right? I can download the file.
Yes, sir. It is FTP server also is there, sir. We can upload and download the files from that server, sir.
So the question was how to give the privilege only for user and group and other.
770, sir. I can give chmod 770 and then file or directory name, sir.
What do you know about DNF?
DNF. It is also like it is also manage the packages, sir, to install and update and then remove the packages. We can use the DNF using the DNF, sir.
Tell me about FTP.
FTP it is used to share the files between server to client, and also we can upload and download the files from the FTP server. It is run in the port number 21. It is that port number is 21 is used to send a request and receive the request, and also 20 port number is used to share the data between FTP servers.
What is logs?
Logs are used to check what we have done. If we did any errors, means it will show us in the log files.
What are the type of logs available?
Yes, sir. There are several types of logs are there. /etc messages and /etc secure and sorry, sir. Varlog messages, varlog secure, and then varlog boot, varlog
What is auth-log used for?
sorry, sir.
Auth-log. AUTH.
I don't know, sir.
What is Samba?
Samba is server used to share the files and directories between Linux operating system to Windows operating system. It is run in the port number of 139, and then the configuration file is /etc/samba and /smb.config.
Okay, what is LBM?
LVM is used to manage the LVM is storage management. By using that LVM, we can resize our disk and extend our disk for our needs by using LVM. Before LVM concept, if our disk is full means we need to add a physical disk. In that case, we can lose our data. So overcome from this problem, we used LVM concept, sir. In this method, we will not lose our data.